Garage doors are crucial for home security. They're the largest and often most used entry point. But what about those gaps on the sides of your garage door? Are they a security risk? These side gaps, even small ones, can be exploited by burglars. They can pry open the door or use tools to disengage the opener. Larger gaps can even allow someone to slip under the door or reach inside for valuables. Pets and small children can also be at risk, potentially escaping or getting injured. Weather elements like rain, snow, and wind can easily enter through these gaps, damaging items in your garage. Critters, from insects to rodents, can find their way in, seeking shelter or food. The good news is that these side gaps are often fixable. Weather stripping is a common and effective solution. Different types of weather stripping include vinyl, rubber, and brush seals. Choose one that fits your door and climate. Adjusting the garage door's tracks or the opener's limit settings can also help close these gaps. For significant structural issues, professional repair might be necessary. They can assess and correct more complex problems. Regular maintenance, like checking and cleaning your garage door and its components, is key to preventing gaps. Don't overlook the security and safety implications of side gaps in your garage door. Address them promptly. A secure garage door means a more secure home. Take action today to protect your property